Hey guys, what's going on, Pisces? This is Jen catching you on DTWJLife. Hope you're all having a great day. If I'm a little bit tired, excuse me. Your planet retrograding is kicking my butt. Neptune retrograde, yay! Oh god! Welcome to Leo season. I hope you guys are doing okay. I'm here, I'm hanging in, dude. It's all good. You know, what can I say? Yeah. Hi, here I am. I am here, my dear. My birthday had just passed not long ago. Yay! I had a really good birthday. Yeah, totally I did. So I am not going to sit here and whine and complain over the fact that I'm tired. It's okay. I just know that for some reason the Neptune retrograde energy tends to sap everybody of our energy. It is weird. I think the reason why this is happening, especially with you, okay, is because a change is happening, or it is about to happen. Yeah, Pluto is still retrograding as well up until October. So whatever is resting in the lunar energy, that being Cancer in the North Node, and it's going to be for a while. Anything that is being extricated from your life is happening kind of seemingly by itself. Oh god, which is enough to leave a person tired. Like, how did this happen? Why? And, oh, forget it. But you don't just have change here. Your sense of independence and freedom is coming out to the forefront as well, so that's the good side of it. Leo season, how you lead yourself, your independence and freedom. Interesting. Okay. 4 cards came out for the first spread, guys. Whew. Man, you know, it's a good thing that you know how to surrender to all that is. Because look at you. This is you right now. It's the card of Sagittarius, but you have this energy. And the cosmos see it that you deserve it. It says, I'm compassionate and I'm cruel. I'm the one who's praised and the one despised. Yeah, not everybody is meant to last with you on your journey. So if they leave, it's okay. Pluto retrograde in North Node energy. Yeah, if they go, dude. It's cool. Like, don't even worry about it. Because you're just so focused right now on taking action toward how you ascend in life. And you should stay focused on that. Second card coming up, you're focused on creative, healthy desires. There's something that you are creating right now. Something that is within your scope to create. So if there was something in the past that you could not create, please don't feel bad. Don't feel guilty. It's okay. Surrender. Let that guilt go. Whew, please. Reason why? You're picking up something new that's going to keep you in a peaceful disposition. And this is what you're going to be taking action on. You have Saturn conjuncting Pluto here. These are things that you are working out for yourself. No one's doing it for you, you're doing it. Yeah, it's all your bread and butter that you're working on. Fourth card coming up. Heck yeah, give yourself a hand, dude. No doubt, it's beautiful. Fourth card coming up is Star and Hope. I love this. The Aquarius card. Yeah, coming up in your reading, it's beautiful. God, it's like you're taking all that is earthly and heavenly, meeting in the middle with that, and you're communicating everything that you are learning about it, however that applies to you in your life. It says, I'm the substance, and one who has no substance, do not be ignorant of me. Everything that you are learning from is not only giving you hope, it's giving others hope. So whatever it is, keep spreading the knowledge about it. If it's something that you had accomplished, keep celebrating it. Because people are probably asking, how did Pisces get there? What did they do to get there? I don't know how that goes. I don't know how that works. How did Pisces get there? Tell them, show them. Seriously. Because it looks like you are accomplishing quite a bit. Even if you don't feel like you are, you are. You are. It's coming out in the cards, guys. So congratulations. That's beautiful. Now you can lead from a place that's actually yours. No one else earned it but you. That's awesome. I like it. Okay. Okay. I like this too. And I'm going to pull up all three at the same time because they kind of tell something. Like, if I can. If it's possible. Here we go. Okay, we got storm inverted. No storm is going to happen. Don't worry about it. Because right now, you're in the middle of getting to the next level of self-mastery, 21-fold. You're working on that. You also have the correct network to support this growth. You're going to be okay. If changes aren't happening right away, it's because you're looking at that. It's because you're dealing with that. You know what I'm talking about. I don't have to spell it out for you. I don't. It's okay. Ooh, I like it. Natural order of things is flowing very well. Okay. The natural flow of things is going well. The natural order of things. You're coming full circle within that. Okay? So whatever you've been doing spiritually, keep doing it because you're doing it well. Whew, wow, this says, in my weakness, do not forsake me, do not be afraid of my power. It's like your makers are taking a backseat for a little bit and just kind of watching you go, like, woo-hoo, you go, baby. I'm not kidding. They're like your best cheering section right now. Second card explaining it. This is why you're growing on something. Instead of collecting on things to grow on, you're actually growing right now. You're growing something. Coming in tenfold. It's beautiful. You're able to cultivate and or manifest something into reality, all that is pragmatic. Jupiter retrograde is assisting you to do this. Yeah, there's a positive to Jupiter retrograde. It's okay. Totally. Yeah. It focuses on the pragmatics. You're growing on that. This is all coming up from your subconscious, your psychology. Psychology and subconscious both. Double air. And when it's inverted, it deals with the subconscious, which usually deals with a lower level of psychology, but still, it's quite effective. Wow. It just seems like you're, like for those who are asking you, like Pisces, how did you do this? This is where you're giving them directive. Like, because you know step by step how to do this thing that they're looking at, that they're like, how do I do that? You've memorized step by step how to do it, and you're in a place to where you can kind of lead them in that way. It's really awesome. I like it. Very cool. Good job. Okay. Got it. The next three cards explain the type of people that you're leading. You're leading the people who are spiritually blocked, that carry a lot of shame with them. People who are not in a position to give because they don't have much. Oh yeah, you're doing your work. people who have been emotionally and psychologically displaced. This is some heavy stuff, guys. These are the type of people you're helping. And this is you taking action and expanding. That healthy creative desire, fire within earth, yeah, this is what you're cultivating. Pretty awesome, huh? Good job. Seriously, like, because I feel like a lot of you are in a better place now, and not only that, but you're in a place where most people look forward to get to, that most people struggle to get to. So you're kind of in a position to guide them and help them. And you're going to be doing that wonderfully. Wow, congratulations. Welcome to your new assignment. You kick butt and keep going. Seriously, it's coming out in the cards. I know that you guys know that I do personal readings, but I do want to offer something different. Because I myself am getting back into teaching and also cultivating a community of those of us who are students and practitioners of the craft. If you are a student and practitioner, or you are looking to become a student, feel free to go over to my Patreon page and join me on the first tier. Also, with the first tier, you get you automatically receive to your email a personal reading, whether you ask a question or not. Whether you ask questions or not, you get that every month that you're with me. Also, our community is built on loyalty. What is said and discussed within the community stays within the community. So it is a safe haven. And yeah, I look forward to getting back into teaching. If you've subscribed, hit the notification bell, because of the fact that I've had some really awesome people help me out with this. Yeah, thank you guys for your support, by the way. I appreciate it. I'm coming out with new content that I'm putting out for you. And I'd rather do things that way than to ask for donations. I would rather earn what I'm asking for. It's so much easier for me. So yes, that may be the reason why the studio space is not here just yet, but that's okay. I'm still doing what I have to. It's all right. So yes, if you're looking to join a community that is stable, strong, loyal, and is safe, feel free, because I'm here. Much love and light to all of you, and until the next video, take care of yourselves and blessed be. Good job.